Alright guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's video I will show you how to pay your BPI credit card bill using the Gcash. So before we proceed, make sure that you have enough balance on your Gcash fund for you to pay your billing. Okay, let's go. So for you to pay, just go to pay bills there, and then on the search bar here at the top, this one, just click on this one, and then on the search bar type in BPI and then select BPI credit card. Under account number, so just type in the account number of your credit card. 100. So put in the account number and then the account name. And then amount that you will gonna pay. And then the email address where you want to receive the email confirmation for the payment, and then just click on done, click on next. So just double check the account number and the information that you put in. Confirm. Oh, bayad ko na. BPI credit card received. Okay, thank you for using Gcash, and that's all. That's how you pay your BPI credit card billing using the Gcash. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If nakatulong to sa inyo, please you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!